It's a beautiful watch. It's really beautiful. I have one. At the end of this video, you're gonna see few images of my personal one. It is a quartz, okay? And at that time when it came out, here's some really pictures of the original one. It was considered like a visionary, futuristic design proposal. Today, this watch has a cost of 795 euros, roughly 800 euros, and it comes also with several type of design updates. You know, today, for example, a new design development based always on the same shape, which is correct. So the Ventura watch, it's a beautiful watch. I really like it. Its design is very particular. I mean, you really gotta have a particular type of taste, you know, to wear this type of watch. Very strange shape. It's a triangular shape, but believe me, the sections, the curvature, and the radiuses, and the care they made to design this watch makes of this watch a really unique timepiece. I have the luck of having one. I really love it. Here you're gonna find some pictures of mine, and on those pictures, as you can see, mine is a little bit old. It's 13 years old, and it has a life from the scratches. But I really hope you like this video, and if you do, subscribe to the channel. Bye!